don't know why I get nervous. This is first time I think for 10 months this has been fired up. Get ready, filling the tank up, which is going to take some time because there's something wrong with the hose pipe. I think there's a kink in it. I'll go and have a look. But yeah, take him off. This was all refurbed. Well, not all refurbed. This was all cleaned, and this cost me 125 quid, was it? I think, in the last time we had it done. Beautiful looking engine. This is the first time on this boat, so we don't even know what it goes like yet. So it will be interesting to see. But pretty immaculate. Look at this. Okay, let me just check on this tank. There's a kink at the end of the hose, right at the end. I've just picked the front end up to drop this in the water a bit more. The intake filter is underneath here, so we'll wait for that to fill. Then what we'll do now, we'll prime. So this is all new piping. Tank's full. Let's make sure we release the pressure on the tank. Sun's in it. Getting warm. Set over. Adds a bit of shade. Okay, let's give it a go. I'm still nervous. I don't know why. It hasn't been started for a while, and yeah. Smoky, that's fair enough. That's clearing. The impeller working beautifully. I've still got the water on in the tank, so keep it topped up. So that's the automatic choke now, so when she gets warm it should start to close down a bit. I'm just going to get a bucket. There she is, slowing down. Oh my god, I'm so chuffed. Sounds beautiful. They did a good job, didn't they? That's thick over, that sounds absolutely amazing. Let's take the cover off, shall we? Hold on. Don't you bouncing around too much. So fuel line all in, that's definitely working or it would be fired up. Second pull, and that's in 10 months possibly. There's onto the bit. Something about engines. Top the water back up. All been greased. Maybe a bit too much. I didn't realise it was coming out actually. Let's ignore the engine stop works. So you fall out your boat, which you don't want to do, of course. Perfect. Put it back on. You have to put it all the way in onto the on position. I thought it was a bit fiddly, but it's not. It works exceptionally well. Okay, Let's give it another pull. Put it down there. Don't do it without knocking you over. Oh, God, the kickback. Brilliant. That's so nice. I know it's a bit sad, sorry. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I can't put it in the gear because the barrel's not big enough. It'll just shatter the barrel. Okay, so if you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like, helps the channel a lot. Plenty more to come, fishing this year, hopefully with a bit of luck. Now we've got all this running, got the boat finished and everything. So yeah, take care, and yeah, subscribe down here, up and coming videos over this side. Oh, I love that. Take care, love you all, see you in the next vid, all the best.